A broken side or rear window isn't just inconvenient. It leaves your vehicle exposed. From shattered glass on your seat to a window that won't close. It puts your safety, your belongings, and your comfort at risk. At Windshield Hub, we restore your glass quickly and professionally. Whether it's a repair or a full replacement, our certified technicians use OEM quality glass and precision tools to get the job done right. We match the look and fit perfectly, so your vehicle stays secure, quiet, and weather-tight. No shortcuts, no worries. Just clear glass and peace of mind. And with affordable pricing, fast turnaround, and a friendly team, you'll be back on the road in no time. Don't let broken side or rear glass slow you down. Book your repair or replacement today at windshieldhub.ca. Windshield Hub, done right, done safe.